Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ramp for spend control strategy, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Ramp. Press the Enter key to access the Ramp login page. Look for the login section on the screen. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once you have your credentials entered, look for the Login button. Click the Login button to proceed. Wait for the page to load as your credentials are verified. If your login is successful, you will be directed to the Ramp dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. If you encounter any issues, check for error messages. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. If problems persist, consider clearing your browser cache. Alternatively, try using a different browser or device. Now that you're logged in, explore the features available for spend control. You can view spending reports, set budgets, and manage card settings. Remember to log out after your session for security reasons. To log out, look for your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on the profile icon and select Log Out from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully logged into Ramp and can implement your spend control strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.